I'm Scott Tonidandel, a professor of management at the University of North Carolina, Charlotte, and I'm your 2020 SIOP Conference Chair. The SIOP Annual Conference is the largest international gathering of IO psychologists, drawing over 5,000 attendees annually. This year, we'll be hosting our 35th annual conference in Austin, Texas. Austin is a fantastic city with over 250 music venues, a vibrant art scene, stunning scenery, and beautiful spring weather. The SIOP Annual Conference is a monumental undertaking with 75 volunteers working on 13 different subcommittees in conjunction with the Administrative Office since January 2019 to put this conference together. In addition, more than 1,300 members served as reviewers for various submissions. The annual conference will kick off on Wednesday with our pre-conference workshops and various consortiums for students, faculty, and practitioners. The program begins on Thursday, and with nearly 1,000 accepted submissions, there's sure to be something for everybody on the program. As you make your travel plans, be sure to stick around for the closing plenary. I guarantee you won't want to miss it. This year's closing plenary speaker is Dr. Parminder Jassal. She has a wealth of experience working at Fortune 50 companies and has also been a program manager at the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, a fellow at the Institute of the Future, and is currently the founder and CEO of SocialTech.ai. In her closing, she's going to present her vision of the future of work and its impact on IO psychology. I guarantee that it's going to be both inspiring and transformative. There are tons of exciting things happening at this year's conference, so be sure to come join us in Austin.